What is the cost of probate in California? Hi, my name is Phillip Nunez.
And my name is Nunez. We are certified real estate professionals by the California Association of Realtors as trust and probate specialists.
If you want to know more about the probate process here in California, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell so you'll be notified every time we put out a new video.
Now let's break down the cost of probate into 6 categories. Number 1, court filing fees. There are usually 2 filings. One is for the petition of probate and the other is the petition for final distribution. Each petition costs $465.
Number 2, attorney fees. These are statutory fees here in California. Here's how they break down, and it all depends on the value of the estate. It is 4% for the first $100,000. Then it's 3% for the next $100,000. An additional 2% for the following $800,000 and 1% for the next $9 million, finishing with 0.5% for the next $15 million. So let's quickly play that out. If the estate is composed of a property that is worth $600,000, and let's say they have a rental property that's worth $800,000, plus an investment account that's $100,000, that's a total of $1.5 million in the estate. Break that down. 4% for the first $100,000, which is $4,000. Then 3% for the next $100,000, that's $3,000. Then 2% for the following $800,000, which is $16,000, and 1% for the remaining $500,000, totaling $28,000.
Now number 3, administrative fees. The executor, administrator, or personal representative are calculated the same manner as the statutory attorney fees. So you as the executor or administrator, take a look at number 2 again to find out how that breaks down.
Number 4, the appraisal fee. The fee of a private referee, also an appraiser, is 1/10 of 1% of the entire asset of the deceased. They may also charge an additional expense such as mileage or if they took any photos. So going back to the previous example of $1.5 million in an asset, that will be $1,500 plus any mileage, which could be an extra $50.
Number 5, bond premiums. Probate bond works similarly to an insurance policy for the estate. When a personal representative of the estate purchases a probate bond from a surety company, they pay a portion of the estate, typically about 0.5%. If someone makes a claim against the bond, an investigation is conducted to determine if the claim is valid. If it is valid, the representative of the estate will be contacted to resolve it. If they do not resolve it, then the surety company steps in and resolves the claim. They will need to be reimbursed in addition to legal expenses from the individual who is holding the bond.
Number 6, miscellaneous fees. Anything from publication fees, which can run from $300 to $500, plus some additional attorney fees for special services can range anywhere between $1,000 to $2,000. So looking at the example of an estate of $1.5 million, the approximate cost will be about $50,000. This sums up all the standard fees for probate. Again, if this is your first time on our channel and you want to know more about this whole process, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this information, feel free to share it with anybody that might need it. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.